All right, another look at our Storm Smart Sky Cam tonight from the Pink Shell over at Fort Myers Beach. Skies are mostly cloudy. The sea is becoming more angry, at least the Gulf is. And it looks like, again, we're going to be looking at some pretty nasty weather in some parts of the area as we go through later on tonight and through the day tomorrow as we watch Tropical Storm Nestor, which now is rapidly approaching the Florida Panhandle coast, likely going to make landfall sometime tomorrow morning. Near Panama City. Now, we're starting to get a few showers popping up across the area, and first we're going to go into sections of Hendry County, and I do want to point this out. The environment is becoming a little bit more favorable for storms to rotate. And what happens is when these storms spin and when they rotate, they can at times produce funnel clouds and sometimes a brief tornado. And what our radar is indicating here is what we call an early detection of a mesocyclone, or a rotating area of low pressure that's on the smaller scale. And this particular shower here is trying to rotate as it lifts northward right along and east of Highway 29 towards LaBelle. So we're going to keep an eye on this. What happens is with the radars, these go from green to yellow to red, indicating a stronger area of rotation and more towards the low level. So right now it's just an early indication that this is rotating. So we'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. So right now it looks like LaBelle, you'll see some gusty winds, a little bit of heavy rain, and as that lifts northward, but we're going to keep an eye on it as it moves deeper into Glades County. These storms offshore, though, are rotating a little bit more strongly as they head up towards Tampa Bay. So it looks like the Tampa area is going to have a tornado threat here probably in the next couple of hours or so. And then we're going to keep an eye on more of these showers that are just offshore, Charlotte and Lee County. Some of the outer bands associated with Nestor as they approach the coast here for tonight. There is a marginal low-end threat for severe weather tonight north of the Caloosahatchee River. That's where the wind shear profile will be most favorable for rotating storms that could produce waterspouts, funnel clouds, or brief tornadoes. The center of Nestor is way over here. All the storms are over on the east side. So what's happening is there's some upper level wind shear. Wind shear is unfavorable for intensification. All the storms are being blown over on this side. So we don't expect it to get much stronger than it is right now, which winds are right now at about 60. Could get up to 65 with the next advisory. The intermediate comes out at about 8 o'clock. But you can see that the forecast track takes it very close to Panama City here, and then eventually moves it across the Carolinas by Sunday. The severe weather risk tomorrow is mainly I-4 and northward. It looks like tomorrow around here, we're just going to have gusty winds throughout the day. We're going to have that chance for some showers and storms this evening, and then more rain in the forecast off and on tomorrow. It's not going to rain necessarily all day, but there will be chances for showers and storms. And I think even into Saturday night and Sunday, we're still going to have some lingering rain around. These are some of the wind gusts we're expecting out of the southeast tomorrow morning into early tomorrow afternoon, gusting over 30. Same thing here for tomorrow evening, and then dying down a bit as we go into Sunday. So again, Saturday's forecast, windy, gusts over 30, off and on showers and storms, high rip current risk as those winds especially turn onshore tomorrow evening into Sunday. 76 tonight. We're going to keep an eye on those storms that are developing now. Of course, we'll be breaking in the programming if any of them do have a tornado warning with them, but otherwise it just looks like some showers around. Winds will pick up tomorrow, off and on chances for showers and storms, winds gusting over 30. Small craft advisory in effect for tomorrow, seas running 6 to 8 feet with gusts over 40 offshore. Here's your 7-day forecast. 40% chance for rain on Sunday, a little warmer, and then back up to around 90 ahead of the next cold front, which arrives the middle of next week.